Inside a dry, hard seed, a tiny baby plant is waiting for the perfect time to wake up. This diagram shows what is happening beneath the surface. Every seed has 3 vital parts. The first is the embryo. This is the baby plant, already equipped with a tiny root and shoot. Next is the food store. You can think of this like a packed lunch. Because the plant cannot make its own food yet, it uses this stored energy to power its early growth. Finally, the outside is covered by the seed coat. This works like a helmet, protecting the delicate baby plant from damage while it stays underground. This design allows a seed to stay alive for a long time, keeping the plant safe until the environment is ready for it to grow. When the environment changes, the seed wakes up. Scientists call this process germination. For germination to start, the seed needs a specific recipe of 3 things: water, air, and a warm temperature. Water softens the seed coat, while oxygen from the air helps the plant release energy from its food store. Warmth provides the right environment for the baby plant to become active. You might notice that sunlight is not on the list. Because germination happens deep underground in the dark, seeds do not actually need light to start growing. By requiring all 3, water, air, and warmth, the seed ensures it only begins to grow when it has the best chance of surviving. Germination begins when the seed absorbs water like a sponge. It swells up until the pressure causes the hard seed coat to split open. The first root pushes downward, anchoring the plant and drinking up water and minerals. Soon, side roots branch off to collect even more water. Next, a green shoot grows upward through the soil to find sunlight. Once the shoot breaks through the soil, the first leaves open. These leaves use sunlight and fresh air to start making new food for the plant. As this happens, the original seed starts to shrivel. It becomes small and wrinkled because the baby plant has used up all the energy in its food store. It is a race to reach the surface. The plant must grow leaves and start making its own food before the seed's energy runs out. To prove exactly which conditions help a plant grow, scientists set up an investigation using 4 jars of soil. They used a fair test, which means they changed only one thing at a time. They kept identical jars, the exact same soil, and the same seeds to ensure accurate results. Comparing jar 1's dry soil and jar 2's moist soil proves seeds cannot germinate without water. Next, comparing jar 3 in the cold and jar 4 in a warm place proves seeds also need warmth. Scientists observe these jars for 8 days because plants grow slowly. You cannot see all these changes in just one night. They also put many seeds in each jar. If they used only one damaged seed, the results would not be reliable. Using more seeds makes the evidence stronger. By following these rules, like fair testing and using many seeds, we can be sure about the science behind how plants grow. If we look at our original bean seed now, we can see how much it has changed. It has deep roots reaching down and green leaves reaching up. Now that it can make its own food and survive on its own, we call this young plant a seedling. By using water, air, and warmth from its environment, the seed successfully grew into a living, self-sufficient plant. To remember how a plant wakes up, just look at this equation. A seed plus water, air, and warmth equals germination. The root grows down to find water. The shoot grows up to find light, and the leaves open as the old seed shrivels away. Now you know the secrets of what happens beneath the soil. You are officially an expert on germination.